Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the development environment and why it's important to set it up.
Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, no stamps. New hoes, 10 toes, new guac, new bands, new whip, new chips, new kicks.
So, what exactly is a development environment? In simple terms, it's the environment in which developers work. It's a combination of hardware, software, and processes that allow developers to write, test, and deploy their code. Now, you might be wondering why it's so important to set up a development environment. Well, there are several reasons for that. Firstly, it allows developers to work in a controlled and predictable environment. This means that they can develop, test, and deploy their code without any surprises or unexpected errors. Secondly, it provides a platform for collaboration among team members. When all the developers are working in the same environment, it's easier to share code and collaborate on projects. Thirdly, it ensures that the code is consistent and standardized. A well-defined development environment can help enforce coding standards, making it easier to maintain the codebase and improve its quality over time. So, what should a development environment include? Well, it can vary depending on the project and the team, but there are a few key components that most development environments should have. Firstly, it should include the necessary hardware and software required to build and run the application. This can include things like a text editor, a compiler, a database, and web server. Secondly, it should include a version control system. This allows developers to manage changes to the codebase, collaborate on code, and roll back changes if necessary. Thirdly, it should include a testing framework. This allows developers to write automated tests to ensure that the code works as intended. And lastly, it should include a deployment process. This ensures that the code is deployed to production in a consistent and controlled manner. So, to sum it up, a development environment is a crucial aspect of software development. It provides a controlled and predictable environment for developers to work in, facilitates collaboration among team members, and ensures that the code is consistent and standardized. Setting up a development environment can be time-consuming, but it's definitely worth the effort in the long run. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. See you next time.